Today, we're diving into Zoho Books, a comprehensive accounting software designed to streamline your financial management process. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or an accountant, Zoho Books offers a suite of features to help you stay organized, save time, and make informed financial decisions. During this review today, we'll be taking a look into Zoho Books' main features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's start things off with a quick look at Zoho Books' main features. Expense management. Easily track and categorize expenses, manage receipts, and reconcile bank transactions to maintain accurate financial records. Invoicing. Create professional invoices, send automated payment reminders, and accept online payments to streamline your billing process and get paid faster. Inventory management. Efficiently manage your inventory, track stock levels, and automate inventory adjustments to optimize your supply chain operations. Reporting and analytics. Access insightful reports and analytics dashboards to gain valuable insights into your business performance and make data-driven decisions. Bank reconciliation. Automatically match bank transactions with accounting records, reconcile discrepancies, and ensure financial accuracy with ease. Multi-currency support. Conduct business globally and manage transactions in multiple countries, simplifying international operations and reducing currency exchange complexities.
Zoho Books offers flexible pricing plans tailored to different business needs. Starting with a free plan, users can explore basic features and upgrade to paid plans for more advanced functionality. Paid plans range from $15 per month for the basic plan to $240 per month for the professional plan, with discounts available for annual subscriptions. Each plan offers varying levels of features, users, and invoicing capabilities to suit businesses of all sizes. Users praise Zoho Books for its intuitive interface, customizable features, and seamless integration with other Zoho applications. The software's user-friendly design and comprehensive functionalities make it easy for users to manage their finances efficiently and effectively, regardless of their accounting expertise. Zoho Books offers a comprehensive suite of accounting features, including expense management, invoicing, and inventory tracking at an affordable price point. Its user-friendly interface and robust reporting capabilities make it a valuable tool for small businesses and freelancers alike. However, some users may find the learning curve steep, especially when navigating advanced features like inventory management. On the other hand, while Zoho Books provides extensive features, the user interface could be more intuitive, and certain functionalities may require additional customization to meet specific business needs.
Looking for alternatives to Zoho Books? Consider exploring other accounting software options such as QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Wave Accounting, and Xero. Each alternative offers unique features and pricing plans, allowing you to choose the best solution for your business requirements.
In conclusion, Zoho Books is a powerful accounting software solution that empowers businesses to streamline their financial operation, improve productivity, and make informed decisions. With its extensive feature set, flexible pricing plans, and intuitive user experience, Zoho Books is a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes. Ready to take control of your finances? Sign up for Zoho Books today and unlock the full potential of your business. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and insights to navigate the digital world. Thank you for watching.